Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise, and I'm back with another video. So on today's video, I do have another wig from a company called YGWigs, and check out the packaging. I love it so much. It's so cute. But I did receive some goodies, as you guys can see. However, if you guys stay tuned till the end of this video, I have a very special giveaway that I'm super excited to bring to you guys. So again, you guys do watch through this video till the end and be sure to check out this giveaway because again, it's a big one. But yeah, again, here is the wig that I picked up from YGWigs.com, and I picked up their special water wave glueless version Peruvian lace front wig, and this is what it looks like. You guys check out the lace on that. I got my lace in a medium brown and it's still too light. So this is the purpose of today's video. I'm going to show you guys how I tint my lace to blend in with my complexion. If you guys are darker, of course you can tint your lace darker, but this is just a really close-up view of what the lace color looks like. Again, so light to be a medium brown, and I'm chocolate, so yeah, I'm gonna briefly put on the wig just to see exactly how light the lace is, and I was just kind of like, yeah, it can probably work with a little bit of foundation or powder. However, I don't want to have to continuously go in and apply powder to the lace to get it to blend in, so we're going to tint the lace once and for all. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and have everything that I use to tint the lace down in the info box below in case you guys want to be able to go out and pick it up for yourself. Again, check the info box below. Everything will be listed what I use throughout this video. I promise you guys. But firstly, I'm going to go ahead and just take care of the knots. I'm bleaching the knots again. I do use my bleaching powder and my 40 volume developer. Now, if you are a beginner, do not use 40 volume developer. Start off with either a 10 or a 20 volume. I am very skilled at this, so I know what I'm doing, but I don't really have patience like that, so I do use 40 volume developer, and I let it sit on the knots that's on the lace for briefly, I want to say like around 5 minutes tops. It lifts very fast and very light, so you do want to keep an eye on that. But again, if you are a beginner, start off with either 10 or 20 volume and you should be good. So again, I did allow the bleach to sit on the knots for about 5 minutes. And now I'm going to go ahead and just rinse off that bleaching paste. And then now you're going to go in with your neutralizing shampoo. Do not skip this step. You have to get rid of all that bleach using a neutralizing shampoo, and this one does have a color alarm that's allowing me to see if I didn't get it all out. So I did do 2 shampoos to free the wig of all of that bleach. Just really work that in there so that we're not leaving any on, because if you leave any on, the hair is going to continue the process and it's going to just keep shedding and shedding and shedding, and you don't want that. But right now, we're now going to go in and tint the lace. So I have my tea kettle and I am just boiling the water. You want to use boiling hot water. Don't worry about the hair losing its texture because you're literally only putting the lace in there. Now you could get a little bit of the hair in the hot water, but you should be fine. So now I'm using my synthetic fabric dye. Again, I'll have everything listed in the info box below, and the color that I'm using is chocolate brown. Yeah, it sounds suiting, right? But yeah, I'm using chocolate brown to tint my lace because, you know, I'm a chocolate girl. But I am just applying the lace to that hot dye, and I allowed it to sit on the hair for about 15 minutes. The water is still very piping hot, but you can see how much of the color absorbed into the lace. Pretty much the water was almost kind of like a flat soda clear. But now I'm going to go in and just shampoo the hair, freeing the hair of all that excess dye. And then you're going to follow up with conditioning it. Again, everything that I'm using will be listed in the info box below, so go ahead and check it out. So now that we have completed tinting the lace, I'm going to go ahead and just customize the hairline as I always do. I just sprayed down the front perimeter with some water, And now I'm just parting off the section of the baby hairs that's included in this wig. And oh my god, you guys, I didn't have to go in and tweeze any of the hair. The hairline is already pre-plucked, and you do have the baby hairs. I do trim down the baby hairs just a little bit for my liking. If you want to leave them nice and long, you can, but put away your tweezers. You do not need it with this wig. It already comes pre-plucked, which saved a lot of time. So now I'm just going in and I'm just laying the baby hairs. Again, as I mentioned in all my videos, if you're not a fan of baby hairs, simply don't do them. I do it just as a way to disguise the lace, because you do want to keep a decent amount of lace on your wig, just so that you can be able to adhere it down to your forehead, because if you don't have that lace, pretty much it's going to be sitting on your hairline and you don't want that. So now I'm going in with this curl defining mousse, and I'm just applying it to the curls. And I really didn't have to do this step because the hair was just already extra defined, but I do want those curls to stay in place, so just using a curl defining mousse will do the trick. So this is about a couple days later, and I am super excited. I am loving the way that it's looking right now, because I know it's going to blend in with my complexion, and I'm super excited. But right now I'm just trimming off that lace. A lot of you guys always ask, how do you cut off the lace? Can you show yourself cut off the lace? So here you go. I literally just keep it attached to my canvas block, and I just carefully trim it off with a good pair of cutting shears. Here's what the wig looks like. The lace nicely tinted, and you can see how already is just blending in with my complexion. Literally, like, you know, like they took some of my melanin and put it on this lace. So yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on, and you just see just right out of the, just straight on my head. Okay, it's just perfection. Okay, but again, you do not have to do this. Like, if you don't have the patience to tint your lace, by all means you can continue on by using foundation or powder. But if you do decide to tint the lace, your wig is good forever, so you don't have to go back in and continuously add powder. You're good to go, girl. So yeah, I just went ahead and took care of the baby hairs really quick, and you guys get into this hair. So pretty. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of my Cream of Nature foamy wrap mousse to the top of the wig, just to kind of get rid of that bulkiness, and we are good to go. I love the texture, and I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but this wig is in the 20 inches. But really briefly, I want to give you guys a 360. You guys can indeed comb out the curls if you guys want some more volume, if you guys want like a nice big voluminous style, but I decided to keep the curls nice and defined because I do like the wet look. And you guys, look at it, it's just so pretty. And I did not have any issues with it shedding. I had a little bit of shedding, but that was to be expected, especially when you're shampooing and conditioning the hair. Nothing too major. But I'm gonna give you guys a different style, because I was like, you know what, I want to see what this is gonna look like with a side part. So I'm just gonna use the tip of my comb and put a side part in this wig. Gonna spray it down with a little more water, add a little more of my foamy wrap mousse to help lay everything down to make it look natural. And yeah, once I'm finished doing that, I'll see you guys. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. So now I'm going to go in using my MAC Mineralized Skinfinish in dark and apply it to the parting space, just to allow it to look a little more natural. And then after that, you're going to see me use my Main Choice Edge Freezing Gel to temporarily adhere the wig down. Again, I'll have everything listed in the info box in case you guys are wondering. I live by the Main Choice Gel because it works just like glue, and your wig is pretty much going to stay down for the entire day. So yeah, but enough about this. I need to tell you guys about this giveaway that YGWigs is hosting. So if you guys follow YGWigs on their Instagram as well as myself, they are going to be giving away to 5 lucky followers a $100 coupon code to use on their website, and pretty much their wigs are already super duper affordable. So literally you're only gonna be paying just a few extra bucks to get a wig. But all you need to do is follow the instructions on the video that I will post in a couple of days. That's all you need to do. So in the meantime, follow me on Instagram, follow YGWigs on Instagram, and you guys, I will post a video what the information you guys need in order to win the $100 coupon code to purchase anything on YGWigs.com. Again, 5 of you guys will win. The person who receives the most likes will be amongst the 5 winners. That's all you really have to do. Again, follow me on Instagram and you guys will learn the exact details. But yeah, you guys do check out YGWigs.com. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out, guys.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good